Hello, I'm Brian-esl from How-to-Automotive, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to charge your car or truck's AC system using the AC Pro Smart Charge. The cool thing about this video is you do not need any special tools or equipment. You just need to run down to your local auto parts store and pick yourself up an AC Pro Smart Charge can here, and then I'm going to walk you through the rest of the steps on how to use it and how to get your car or truck's AC system back up in action. So come with me. So before we get started charging up the AC system on this car, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by AC Pro. So like I said, you're not going to need any specialty tools such as gauges like this. All you're going to need to do is run down and get some AC Pro. This is the extreme condition formula. This one is Bluetooth, and it's going to work with your smartphone, and it's going to turn your smartphone into these fancy gauges, but we're just going to use this. The AC Pro is also designed to work with every car out there that features R134A, including electric and hybrid vehicles. It also has oils and additives to help seal up leaks in the systems. Okay, so what we're going to do is head over to the App Store and download the AC Pro app. Once you got the app open, it's going to have a screen that looks just like this. It's going to ask you to enter the last 6 digits of the UPC code right here. So you're going to enter the last 6, so count backwards 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and enter those numbers into the app. Once you enter the numbers, hit continue. Now the app's going to walk you through all the processes of signing up, create an account. So you're going to fill that information in. Once you're logged into the account, so it's click the button here. It's going to walk you through the process on the screen of how to get this thing activated. So on the front here, there will be a little plastic tab that I've already removed. You pull that out, and that gets you activated for the battery activated. Once you've done that, you hit the next step. It's going to walk you through. You're going to push the blue button here on the top. This is going to pair the unit to your phone. Can is paired to your phone. You're going to hit next. So now we're going to hit next, and we're going to find our AC ports and start measuring how much Freon is in the car to determine if it needs a charge or if it doesn't. Now we're going to select the year, make, model of the vehicle that we're working on. So one of the things we need to do is hook the refrigerant up to the low side port on the car. And because every car, they're in different locations, some of them are really easy to find and some of them are hidden. So the cool thing about the app is it has the ability to type that in there and tell what type of car it is, and it's going to guide you into the area where the ports are located. So we're going to do that. So this is a 2000. Click on that, and I'm working on here. On the screen will be pictures and locations of where the ports are. So that's the cool thing about this, is this thing walks you straight through everything. So now we're going to go over here and we're going to find exactly where the low side port is. Once you got the low side system located, you're just going to hit next. So you're going to jump inside your vehicle, start it up, put the fan on high, the temperature on the coldest temperature, the AC on, and on recirculation. And that doesn't matter if you're working on a modern day car or an older car like the view. And this is what the screen will look like on the app. All right, now we're ready to connect our AC Pro to our car. First what we're going to do is throw on a pair of gloves and a safety glasses. The reason why is Freon is under pressure, and if when you hook it up, there could be a little spurt of Freon. It could freeze your hands or get in your eye or something. So just a little safety precaution, preferably something with some leather on it. All the prompts on the screen and hook up our low side here. So on this model, it's hooked up over here on the side, so we're just going to pull the tab back, put it on the fitting, give it a push down, and that'll lock it into place. Now we're going to hit next on the screen. So now we got our AC turned on, all that's connected. We are reading 30 psi. Okay, so that's basically on the low side of our scale. Upwards of 50 psi is what this is recommending for this particular car. So what we could do is we could top it off a little bit and add a little bit and make it work a little bit better. So we're going to hit next. So it's going to tell us what to do. So once it's to disconnect the hose, hit next. Now the can is in safety mode, and so we need to get it into the service mode. So what we need to do is follow the prompt on the screen here. We need to disconnect the can from the gauge. We need to take this off by unscrewing it, setting this aside. Now what we need to do is put the bottle back up, screw it on there nice and snug, just like that. Then you're going to hit next on your screen. It's going to tell you to take the tap off, which we did. Now we hooked it back up to the bottle, which we did. Now it's going to have us hooked back up to the car. We got a pressure reading here, so I'm going to give this a little shake and shake this up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze the handle and add a little bit of Freon. We're going to hold it for maybe 5 or 6 seconds, and also we're going to rotate the can. That's going to get all the proper Freon and additives into the system. So I give it a little shake before. Now I'm going to squeeze the trigger and release. Now it's going to take another reading and just double check. So now our reading has gone up a little bit, and we're a little bit closer to the range that we want to be in. So now I'm going to give this a feel, and it is blowing ice cold air out of the dash. So low refrigerant on your AC system is the #1 cause for your AC not to work. If you charge your AC system up and it's still not working, you may need to take your vehicle for further diagnosis. So that's how you restore your car, truck's AC system. I'm Brian-esl from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank AC Pro for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe.